Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get subscribers into your Facebook Messenger chatbot with something called Customer Chat plugin. So before you start, make sure that you watch the module about sequences and conversations because we're not going to go into detail about them in this video, but they will be needed. So make sure you had created a sequence before you use the material covered in this video, because you use that sequence to connect to the customer chat plugin. So what is a customer chat plugin? Well, I guess the best way to explain it is to look at this picture. You can see that there is a live chat pop-up at the bottom right that looks like a looks like an intercom widget, and that's basically what a customer chat plugin is. It's a way for people to start a conversation with you through this floating thing at the bottom right. And yes, that can be used for customer inquiries, for support, etc. Now, this is one of those widgets or plugins that requires access to HTML. So other widgets that require the same access are send to Messenger button and checkbox widgets, which are covered in other videos in this module. So don't worry though, it's very simple to set up. And if anything, if you have a developer, you can give this video to him and he'll do the setup in 5 minutes or even less. So with that all said, let's see it in action. Alright, I'm back to Chatforce, and what I'm trying to do here is I am trying to connect this sequence that I had created to the customer chat plugin. So customer chat plugin can be created again by going to the growth widget area by clicking on this button on the left sidebar and clicking on the button plus growth widget, and then you select customer chat plugin here. Then what you do is you give it a name. Let's say homepage chat plugin. Then you can easily select a different color to match the color, the brand name, the brand guidelines of your website. Let's say if it was Chatforce, I would select this bright violet. And then you can basically customize the text. The text, you have very limited customization here because Facebook doesn't allow you to do a lot. But basically, you can change the color of the widget and also the text that people will see when they're logged in or not. So let's say when they're not logged in, this one, you can say something, hi, connect sign in to Facebook to chat to us. But when they're logged in, I just want to say that, hi, let us know how we can help you. So as you can see, the text will be different depending on if the person is logged in or not now. Now, this second tab is where you actually will be configuring the sequence that people will receive when they interact with your chat widget. So I'm going to send the conference widget, the conference sequence, sorry. And last thing for you to do is go to the third tab, click on Get the Widget Code. Make sure your website is whitelisted here. We're just checking every single domain that it's in here. And if it's not, then you just have to enter it into the text box. Once you're done, you copy paste these 2 snippets of code and put them on your website. You can do it yourself, or you can tell your developer to do it for you. He can probably do it in 5 minutes. So that's it. Let's just do it right now. Okay, so I am back here, and what I'm trying to do is I want to put these snippets of code on my website so that when people open it, a customer chat plugin would pop up at the bottom right. So the way I do it is I copy this code, and I'm using WordPress. If you didn't notice, you could use it in any other landing page / website builder as long as it allows HTML. It doesn't work exactly well with ClickFunnels or other landing page builders that put their own Facebook code in, but there's a workaround, and I'm going to post a workaround below the video when I get to it. So the way it works is you copy the snippet of code into somewhere on the page. It says it says paste this code below body, before body, but you actually can put it anywhere. And then you click on update. Cool. You click on update if you're using WordPress, obviously. So what happens next is when you reload the page, as you can see, now I can chat to the page. And when I click on chat now, it says I opened the conversation from this website, and then it triggers the sequence. As simple as that.